actually.
Betul. Sudah tidak sabar ingin melihat keseruan ya Citra Cup 2026 ini.
Betul, bendera-bendera sudah mulai berkibar.
Yep, yang tahun 2026 ini diselenggarakan di Cianjur, Jawa Barat, Indonesia.
First time ada di Indonesia yang tentunya memiliki 10 negara Asia Tenggara. We have 10 countries of Southeast Asian countries, so Citra Cup, where are you?
Yes, Disdapa sambil kita menunggu ya, kita coba akan sapa dulu satu-satu. From Vietnam.
Wow! We would like to say and please cheer up Thailand.
And the next Singapore.
And then here we go, please welcome Philippines.
And jangan mau kalah from Malaysia.
Wow! Of course, speak louder. Here we go, Cambodia.
And masih ada yang tertinggal satu tadi from Myanmar. Dan tentunya jangan mau kalah dong. Iya, tuan rumah kita. Oh ini masih ada.
Brunei Darussalam.
Coba dong suaranya mana untuk
Indonesia.
Oke. Baiklah, sepertinya acara akan segera dimulai. Mohon kepada para panitia di belakang mungkin untuk membantu mengkondisikan. Baiklah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Citra Cup 2026. Welcome to Indonesia.
Iya, selamat pagi, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan.
It's been unique actually that we would like to greet you all by Sampurasun. When we say Sampurasun, would you please to say Rampes?
Rampes.
Okay,
yes.
Sampurasun.
Rampes.
Once more, Sampurasun.
Rampes. Thank you. Dan tentunya senang sekali rasanya saya Solo Iskandar Sastra Dinata dan rekan saya.
I am Dava Suryadila Gabing, the host of the day.
Yes. Oke, baiklah kita beranjak ke acara berikutnya ya. Sesaat lagi kita akan sama-sama menyanyikan lagu Indonesia Raya.
Let's sing the national anthem together. Indonesia Raya.
Hadirin dipersilakan untuk berdiri.
Everybody would you please to stand up?
Hadirin dipersilakan untuk duduk kembali.
Everybody, would you please to sit down back?
Oke, baiklah Bismillah, tentunya untuk ya kelancaran acara hari ini. Sesaat lagi kita akan berdoa bersama-sama masing-masing menurut agama dan kepercayaannya masing-masing.
We would like to invite you all to do the prayer, please.
Oke, berdoa dimulai. berdoa selesai.
Praying finished.
Ya, beranjak ke acara berikutnya kita akan sama-sama dengarkan laporan Ketua Panitia yang akan disampaikan langsung oleh Bapak Haris Lahabu. Kepada Bapak Haris Lahabu dipersilakan.
We would like to invite you to listen and focus on the report by the chairperson of organizing committee. We would like to invite Mr. Haris Lahabu. The stage is yours.
Morning everybody, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang saya hormati Pak Bupati dan rekan-rekan semua. Salam sejahtera. Terima kasih buat para tamu undangan, para mitra dan para tenan serta para OPD yang sudah hadir mendukung kegiatan pada hari ini kejuaraan Asia Tenggara, di mana puji syukur ya hadir semua di sini 9 negara. Di mana izin Pak Bupati yang hadir secara hari ini akan turun tanding itu dari Kamboja, ada Kamboja ya, akan hadir 8 atlet dan 1 ofisial. Kemudian dari Malaysia ada 22 atlet dan 4 ofisial. Dari Brunei Darussalam ada 8 atlet dan 4 ofisial. Dari Filipina 25 atlet dan 4 ofisial. Dari Indonesia 25 atlet dan 6 ofisial. Dari Singapura ada 19 atlet dan 4 ofisial. Dari Vietnam ada 11 atlet dan 3 ofisial. Dari Myanmar ada 7 atlet dan 2 ofisial. Thailand dengan 5 atlet dan 1 ofisial. Totalnya 126 orang atlet dan 28 ofisial. Demikian laporan singkat yang disampaikan. Terima kasih, selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi, terima kasih kepada Bapak Haris Lahabu selaku Ketua Panitia.
Actually, that there are 126 participants and 28 officials. That's the report for the chairperson of the organizing committee. Thank you to Mr. Haris Lahabu.
Iya, beranjak acara berikutnya kita dengarkan bersama sambutan dari PPLT yang akan disampaikan oleh Bapak Doni Gahral Adiansah selaku Sekretaris Umum PPLT.
The welcoming speech from the chairperson of PPLT, the General Chairperson. We would like to invite Mr. Doni Gahral Adriansa as the General Secretary of Indonesia Running Trail Association. The floor is yours.
Morning everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I begin, I would like to invite all to give a big applause for all the athletes coming to the Gede Pangrango National Park. Today and tonight they will compete in this national park as their battleground to win the medals for the second Southeast Asia Trail Running Championship. Let's give an applause for all the distinguished guests, the Mayor of Cianjur Regency or District, Pak Bupati Dr. Muhammad Wahyu Ferdian. Welcome Pak Bupati. From Seatra Cup, Christine Ferreira, welcome. President of ITRA, Janet Eng, welcome. The head of National Park, Gede Pangrango National Park, Satata Nur Adirahmanta Eshud MT, welcome Pak Satata. From KONI, the representative Pak Tirto, welcome Pak Tirto for representing our National Committee of Sports. As Secretary General of Indonesian Trail Running Associations, first I would like to welcome all of you athletes who will compete tonight, today and tonight. Today there will be a vertical, tonight there will be a short, long, and tomorrow mountain classic. Let's all keep safe, maintain sportsmanship among us.
in the route will be technical. Gede Pangrango is very technical, but very beautiful scenery. Yeah, everyone coming to Gede Pangrango cannot just one time. There will be second time, third time, until hundreds time coming for the Gede Pangrango National Park. Indonesian delegates can train every week in the Gede Pangrango. Yeah. And I hope all of you guys from all other countries, at least once a month, coming to Gede Pangrango, yeah, visiting our national park, the beautiful scenery, yeah, and training together. That's all I can say. Yeah, please be safe. Yeah, let the best men and women win this race. Thank you very much.
Iya, terima kasih kepada Bapak Doni Gahral Adiansa selaku Sekretaris Umum PPAP.
I would like to say thank you to Mr. Doni Gahral Adriansa as the General Secretary of Indonesia Running Trail Association. And the next, the delivering speech by the chairperson of Citra Cup Committee. We would like to invite Mrs. Christine Ferreira.
Iya, berikutnya kita akan dengarkan bersama-sama sambutan Ketua Citra, Ibu Christine Ferreira.
Good morning, distinguished guests. I'd like to acknowledge Mr. Lahabu, the head of the local organizing committee, Mr. Tirto from the Indonesia National Sports Committee, Mr. Sadata, the head of Mount Mead National Park, Mr. Wayu from the Regent of Sanjur, Region C, Ms. Janet Nang from the International Trail Running Association President, and of course the Indonesian Trail Running Association team, who is very instrumental to hosting this event. Distinguished delegates, our athletes, our officials, our federation head who are here and present here, our friends and family and friends who are here to support the local trail running community of Indonesia. Salamat datang and welcome to Sibodas. So today, this morning, as the sun shines over the Gunung Gid Pangrango on the 24th of July, we are making history in the history of Southeast Asian trail running and the history of the world trail running as a region. CTRC, the Southeast Asian Trail Running Confederation, it began humbly in 2023 over a simple desire to gather all nations together. It was just 3 countries. I'd like to acknowledge, of course, Nanang Handoko of the ALTI, Indonesian Trail Running Association, and he's not here today, Toto Nang of the Malaysian Ultra Running Association. So the 3 of us started reaching out to all nations, and it was not a hard task because trail running, the trail runners are naturally passionate, are very loving of the sports, and it was not easy to gather everyone. And in June 2024, we were 8 countries gathering in the Philippines and having the pioneer and the inaugural Southeast Asian Trail Running Cup. And now, the Southeast Asian Trail Running Confederation, CTRC, has grown to 10 member nations. So let's give a round of applause to that. And today we are represented by 9 countries: Cambodia, Brunei, Myanmar, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. So, and this growth, we're not just talking of just numbers. We're also talking about a move towards moving the sport further and upwards. I'd like to acknowledge that during at the second edition, we are 41% represented by women across all categories. Something that when trail running was starting, this is far from reaching these numbers. And what is very important also is we are seeing the future of trail running. Today we have 13 athletes under 23 who will be towing the starting line, and seven of these athletes are under 18. So the future is bright. The future is very bright for the sports in the Southeast Asian region. So as as one of the officers of CTRC, I'd like to give this message to every athlete here. You did not arrive here by accident. You are here after going through selection process, going through months of training, months of early mornings, months of running in the mountains and preparation. You are here through the quiet support of your federations, of your family and friends who believe in you. So whatever happens in the trails the next 3 days, uh, whether you stand in the podium or cross the finish line, we hope you carry the heart of what trail running is all about, what this association, this confederation is all about, camaraderie, friendship, and our shared love for the trails. You carry your country, you carry this region, and you carry the sports forward through the next 3 days. So to all our officials, to all our supporters, our volunteers, the local trail running community, we would like to thank you for hosting the second edition of the Southeast Asian Trail Running Cup. We would like to thank you for the warm welcome, and we look forward to the next 3 days, which is all about our love for trail running, as as we jointly shared in ISRA, one trail, one heart. Today we show that one trail, one heart, not just for the Southeast Asian region, but we are showing it to the world that we are Southeast Asian trail running, and we are sharing the love for the sports through this competition. Magandang umaga, good morning, and good luck, and have a safe race to everyone.
Iya, terima kasih kepada Ibu Christine Ferreira selaku Ketua Sitra.
We would like to say thank you to Mrs. Christine Ferreira for having and delivering the beautiful speech of the day.
Berikutnya kita saksikan bersama sambutan Presiden ITRA kepada Miss Janet Eng.
Delivering a speech from ITRA President, please welcome Janet.
Slightly taller than Tim, by a few millimeters. Well, dear distinguished guests, representatives of the local government, members of the local organizing committee, officials, volunteers, and our athletes, good morning. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be with you today. I arrived late last night, or actually in the early hours of this morning, but as soon as I arrived, I immediately felt the warmth of this country, the people, and the support and help of the local organizing committee. I can't thank you enough for getting me here. So from the very beginning, I know that this is going to be an absolutely fantastic and special event. 2 years ago, I had the privilege of attending the inaugural edition of the Southeast Asia Trail Running Cup in the Philippines, and I'm very, very happy to be here again to see the development and growth of this cup and how it is bringing this community together once more. So on behalf of ITRA, I would like to extend my sincere thanks and warmest wishes to the local government, the local organizing committee, the confederacy, the volunteers, and everyone who has worked so hard to make this event possible. I wish you a safe, smooth, and successful event. And so now to our athletes. I'm sure you are now all ready and perhaps a little impatient to get onto the trails and begin racing. Trail running is developing very, very fast, not just here in Southeast Asia, but around the world. And I think with that, you are not just competitors, you all are trailblazers. You are at the forefront of a sport that is growing very rapidly across the world. This is a great privilege, but with it, there's also great responsibility. Others will watch and learn from how you compete. They will watch how you respond when the race becomes difficult, when your legs are tired, and when things do not go according to plan. You are the ones to shine a light on the path of all those who will follow you. You will show them the values of our sport. So race with courage, race with humility, camaraderie, race with respect for yourself, for others, and for the environment. Elevate fair play, and be thankful to the community that welcomes us and the volunteers that help us. And above all, just treasure this experience. Some of you will be standing on the podium, many will not, but every athlete standing here is already worthy of a celebration. You have trained, you have sacrificed, you have earned the honor of standing on the start line. So now honor your own efforts and those who moved the mountains to get you here. Do your best and learn from this experience and carry the spirit of this event home with you. So may your legs be swift, may your heart soar, may you race with courage, with joy, and with friendship. And I look forward to welcome you at the finish line. Thank you.
Thank you. Terima kasih kepada Ketua Sambutan Presiden ITRA ya, Miss Janet.
Kak Soleh, ini
Yes,
menarik ya,
menarik
barusan
sekali.
Mrs. Janet tell us. Kalau semua pelari ini mendapatkan berkah katanya ya, karena
Oh.
mencintai alam dan berkesempatan untuk berkeliling dunia dengan
Yes.
kemampuan berlarinya.
Betul
Wow,
sekali.
that's really awesome for your delivering speech that support us and wish the best for all of us here. Thank you.
Baik, oke. Baiklah, berikutnya kita akan sama-sama dengarkan sambutan dari Kepala Balai TNGGP, Bapak Sadata Nur Adirahmanta Eshwood MT.
This is the
Bapak
host.
Sadata dipersilakan.
We would like to invite the chairperson of Mount Gede Pangrango National Park, Mr. Sadata Nur Adirahmanta Eshwood MT. Please, the stage is yours.
Morning. Please I will speak in bahasa. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Saya cukup bersemangat ya menyambut Bapak Ibu semua karena saya dulu juga trail runner. Saya waktu masih muda adalah trail runner. Jadi sekarang sudah hampir 60 jadi sudah sudah mengukur diri. Saya sudah hampir 60 saya. Jadi saya jadi trail runner sejak SMA. Saya dulu ikut ESO Series. Jadi saya melihat atlet ini cukup bersemangat, sudah tertantang, karena sadar saya sudah lanjut usia. Dan semoga event ini tidak hanya sebagai senang-senang saja, not just for having fun, bukan hanya kompetisi saja, bukan hanya sekedar kompetisi, tapi salah satu upaya kita untuk lebih mencintai ekosistem, mencintai alam, lebih memahami alam. Semoga itu juga kita peroleh dari event ini ya. Ingat, manusia ini hanyalah penumpang di alam. Alam ini tanpa manusia baik-baik saja. Tapi kalau dibalik, hutan-hutan ini hancur, alam hancur, manusia hancur. Ya. Jadi pastikan event ini juga membangun semangat kita cinta alam. Ingat, kita hanya penumpang. Hutan akan baik-baik saja tanpa kita. Tapi kita akan hancur lebur tanpa hutan-hutan ini. Ya. Jadi semoga ini kita juga meningkatkan kesadaran itu. Mari kita laksanakan event ini dengan tetap membangun semangat cinta kita kepada alam. Selamat berkompetisi, tetap jaga persaudaraan. Sekali lagi saya sampaikan, saya sebenarnya mulai panas ini, pengen ikut lari, tapi saya sadar usia mungkin sudah tidak memadai. Baik, selamat menjalankan event trail run, semoga lancar, semoga semuanya sukses dan kembali dalam keadaan tetap sehat, tetap
Amin.
menjaga alam. Terima kasih. Selamat pagi.
Terima kasih kepada Bapak Satata Nur Adi Rahmanta, Eshud MP, selaku Kepala Balai PNGGP.
Yeah, for your information, actually, Mr. Satata is the athlete of runner too. He wants really to join with this competition actually, but I'm sorry to say, not for this year, but for any longer. And actually, that he told us, this is not only the competition, this is not only the championship, but this is the way how we improve our awareness to love our world, to love our environment, to love our forest, and to love our nature so far. Actually, keep going on and break your leg. Enjoy the competition.
Iya, terima kasih. Baiklah, berikutnya kita akan sama-sama dengarkan sambutan dari KONI Pusat yang akan disampaikan oleh Bapak Tirto Prima Putra yang merupakan Kabid Media dan Humas. Kepada Bapak Tirto, saya persilakan.
Yeah, today actually that there is the special person, the chairperson of Indonesian National Sport Committee, Mr. Tirto Prima Putra. Would you please to deliver your speech?
Thank you. Morning everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam olahraga. If I say salam olahraga, please answer Jaya. Salam olahraga. Jaya. Okay, thank you. Very warm welcome to all distinguished guests. It is my great pleasure to acknowledge the presence of course, the President International Trail Running Association, Ms. Janet, Southeast Asia Trail Running Confederation, Ms. Christine Pereira, the head of Gunung Gede Pangrango National Park, Bapak Satata, Bapak Bupati Cianjur, Bapak Muhammad Wahyu Ferdian, terima kasih atas dukungannya Pak. Ketua Umum Pengurus Pusat Asosiasi Lari Trail Indonesia, Bapak Dr. Bima Arya Sugianto, yang pada kesempatan kali ini diwakili Bapak Sekung, Bapak Doni Gahral, Pengurus KONI Cianjur, Ketua Penyelenggara Southeast Asia Trail Race, Bapak Lahabu dan jajarannya, kemudian the most important, all athletes from across Southeast Asia participant in today's competition. On behalf of National Sport Committee of Indonesia, I would like to extend a warmest welcome to each of every one of you. We believe the Southeast Asia Trail Race Cup is much more than sporting competition. This is celebration of our friendship, unity, resilience, and our shared passion for running, trail running. Of course, we hope one day trail run will be held at SEA Games, Asian Games, and Olympic. Baik, selanjutnya saya lanjutkan bahasa Indonesia. KONI Pusat menyambut baik kejuaraan Southeast Asia Trail Race ini. Terima kasih kepada panitia penyelenggara, Balai TNGGP, dan terutama Bapak Bupati Cianjur. Terima kasih banyak atas dukungannya. Kemudian tak ketinggalan penting, terima kasih dan apresiasi kepada PP Alti dan pengurus Provinsi Alti yang telah mengirim kontingen Indonesia. Ke depan kami berharap PP Alti dapat menyelenggarakan kejuaraan seperti ini lebih banyak karena ini mendukung sport tourism. Dampaknya itu satu sisi kita memperkenalkan keindahan alam Indonesia dan sisi lain kita juga mendorong sport tourism yang berdampak pada perekonomian warga setempat. Selanjutnya kepada atlet-atlet Indonesia pada khususnya, kalian kebanggaan bangsa dan negara, kalian patriot olahraga, doa dan keyakinan kami menyertai kalian untuk berprestasi di negeri sendiri. Last but not least, enjoy Mount Gede Pangrango and Indonesia, enjoy the tourism. Pada akhir kata, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam olahraga.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih kepada Kepala Bidang Media dan Humas KONI Pusat, Bapak Tirto Primaputra.
Yeah, we would like to say thank you to you for delivering this speech. And actually not only about the speech and competition, it's about friendship and resilience. That's great.
Oke, baiklah, beranjak ke acara berikutnya kita akan sama-sama dengarkan sambutan dari Bupati Cianjur yang akan disampaikan oleh Bapak Dr. Muhammad Wahyu Ferdian SPOG. Kepada Bapak Wahyu, saya persilakan.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, as we know that Mount Gede Pangrango National Park is located in Cianjur, West Java, Indonesia. So here we go. Would you please to deliver the speech from the Regent of Cianjur, Mr. Dr. Muhammad Wahyu.
Good morning, everyone. Tadi ada salam dari Koni ya. Salam olahraga, jaya. One more time. Salam olahraga, jaya. Maybe I would like to introduce our local greetings in Cianjur. It says, if I say Sampurasun, you can answer with Rampes. Rampes, okay? Let's try. Sampurasun. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, LOC, Mr. Haris Abu, PP Alti, Bapak Doni, dan juga tadi Bapak dari KONI ya, KONI Pusat, terima kasih, dan KONI Cianjur, Bapak Beni. Lalu Setra Cup, Miss Christine, and also President of ITRA, Janet, Miss Janet, Kepala Balai, Bapak Sad Tata. Unik sekali Pak namanya. Saya baru tahu tadi, Sad itu ternyata 6 ya, anak ke-6. And of course, all of the athletes and officials, welcome to Cianjur. Our friends, brothers and sisters from Brunei, Darussalam, hello, good morning. Also from Cambodia, morning. From Myanmar, brothers and sisters, our neighbor, Malaysia, morning. And also Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and my brother and sister, Indonesia. It's a great honor for us to host Southeast Asia Trail Riding Championship in here in Kabupaten Cianjur, Indonesia, and GTOR Cianjur Series. These events, I think it's more than just a race. It's a celebration of endurance, unity, and respect for nature. Cianjur here offers not only challenging trails, but also breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. And we hope every step you take here will become a memorable experience. And fun fact here in Mount Gede Pangrango National Park, we have hot spring and hot water rivers. You can also visit it after the race. These events also reflects our commitment to growing sport tourism and strengthening our local economy, while inspiring our younger generation to live healthy, to live active, and environmentally conscious life. To all athletes, completes with passion, and I think the most important is our sportsmanship and our friendship and our love to environment and ecology. And also, beyond winning, true success lies in unity and mutual respect. Thank you for everyone who made this event possible. Enjoy the race, embrace the journey, and create unforgettable moment here in Cianjur. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih
Lastly,
kepada Bupati Cianjur, Bapak
Thank
Dr.
you.
Muhammad Wahyu Ferdian, SPOK.
Sampurasun.
Sampai.
Thank you.
Mohon izin Bapak Bupati agar tetap berada di tempat, dilanjutkan dengan menuju ke area depan untuk menerima simbolis berupa bibit dan juga seed launcher.
Ya, tentunya nanti akan diserahkan oleh Bapak Satata Nur Adi Rahmata Eskut MT.
Izin Bapak, boleh berkenan untuk dapat maju. Would you please to getting forward some steps?
Ya, diserahkan oleh Kepala Balai TN GGB Bapak Satata Nur Adi Rahmata Eskut MT.
Yeah, so everyone, this is the seed launcher. It means that it reminds us for having a beautiful scenery and keep the environment still healthy and green. In front of you all, in front of the participant of Setra Cup 2026, this is the opening symbolic, delivering the launcher C. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Give applause. So this is the officially symbolic, means that the opening is started. So the Setra Cup is begin. And also we would like to invite Mrs. Christine Ferreira and Mrs. Janet to join for having the seed launcher. We would like to give the snapshot and direct the snapshot behind all the trees over there.
Iya, kembali kami undang kepada Ketua Sidra, Miss Christine Pereira dan Presiden ITRA, Janatan, untuk melakukan simbolis juga ya penembakan sebagai penanda pelestarian alam dengan adanya bibit baru.
Betul. And then not only for the 4 of them, actually that we would like to invite one for every country. One delegation, please getting forward to accept the aero launcher.
Iya, dan kami undang kepada perwakilan dari para delegasi, satu orang ke depan ya untuk kembali juga melakukan prosesi.
Hold on.
Yes.
We will direct you. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the official opening of Setra Cup 2026. 3, 2, 1. Give applause everyone. Congratulations for the opening.
Iya, itu sebagai penanda bahwa ada bibit baru yang sudah ditembak ya. Ini menanda sebuah pelestarian alam yang sudah kita lakukan bersama.
It seems like our big commitment to keep the nature and environment still safe and go green. Bapak, mohon izin agar tetap berada di tempat, dilanjutkan dengan sesi foto bersama. Izin Pak, dilanjutkan dengan pemukulan gong, kemudian foto bersama.
Iya, kepada Bapak Dr. Muhammad Wahyu Ferdian SPOG ya sebagai penanda resmi dibuka Citra Cup 2026 ini ya. Ada prosesi pemukulan gong. Dan dihadiri dan didampingi oleh beberapa ya pejabat-pejabat
Ya,
dari TNGGP.
Bapak Haris Lahabu selaku Ketua Panitia atau LOC, Mr. Doni Gahral Adriansyah, Christine Ferreira, Miss Janet,
Yes.
Mr. Satata Nur Adi Rahmanta. Would you please to stand together over there close to the gong, please?
Iya, ini sebagai penanda bahwa resmi dibuka. Nanti kita hitung sama-sama mundur dari 3 ya.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, and all of the participants of Citra Cup 2026, this is the officially opening ceremony. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations.
Oke. Ya, sekali lagi kita beri aplaus yang meriah. Citra Cup 2026 resmi dibuka.
Is officially open and going to start.
Iya.
Break your leg for you all and finish strongly.
Finish strong. Oke, Miss Dava seperti langsung saja ya kita akan undang ke sebelah sini kita berfoto bersama kepada Bupati Cianjur.
Is this
Presiden Itra dan tentunya Ketua Citra
Itra
Bapak
President
Lahabu.
Citra
Ya, kita
Cup
foto di
Committee?
sini. Ya.
Would you please to stand up together in front of the building over here in the center point? Pak Bub is in the middle and then together with Miss Janet, please, and Mrs. Christine. Mrs. Christine is in the right side and the left side. This is formal pose. 3, 2, 1. Hands up everyone and do like this. 3, 2, 1. Once more. Salam olahraga. Salam lestari.
Oke, kita ulang 1, 2, 3. Salam lestari. Nah, sekarang elevasi. 1, 2, 3. Salam elevasi. Oke.
So just give applause.
Iya. Iya.
Bapak berada di sini.
Baiklah, teman-teman kontingen, ya kita akan berfoto bersama kontingen, jadi menghadapnya ke depan, tapi kontingen tetap di sana ya.
Christine, Miss Janet,
Mrs. Janet,
would you
Bapak
please to join
Lahabu,
with us over
boleh.
here? We would like to take picture from here. So everybody getting closer, please. Getting closer, boleh mendekat. Singapore, would you please to getting closer? Yes, getting closer. Vietnam, Cambodia, and Brunei Darussalam, would you please to getting closer? We would like to take picture together over here.
Oke, Miss Dapa. Ya, kita ikut juga di sini dong. Ya, kita nyempil ya.
Kontingen mana ini? Kontingen mana?
Ini kontingen Cianjur ya, beda sendiri warnanya. LOC ini dari
Okay, LOC. So guys, are you ready? Look at the camera. 3, 2, 1. Smile.
Iya. Sekarang salam lestari ya.
Ya,
Satu. Salam lestari.
Lestari.
Satu lagi salam elevasi.
elevasi.
Elevasi. Oke. Sudah.
Once more, siapa kita? Citra Cup 2026. So guys, are you ready?
Oke.
Video, everyone, would you please to help us? 3, 2, 1. Siapa kita?
Citra
Cup 2026.
Terima kasih, Miss Dafa, sepertinya kita sudah tidak sabar lagi ingin menyaksikan Devil ya atau Parade
Ya.
Nation dari
Kita akan
masing-masing
menyaksikan
negara.
parade.
Yes, kita kondisikan dulu ya. Ya. Iya, dipersilakan ya untuk kembali ke tempat kepada Bupati Cianjur. Terima kasih Bapak Dr. Muhammad Wahyu Ferdian SPOG dan tentunya Kepala Balai Gunung Gede Pangrango.
Ketua KONI Nasional, kemudian juga tentu kepada Presiden ITRA dan Setra Cup Chairperson. Would you please to go back and sit down?
Baik, oke. Miss Dafa, diinformasikan untuk para official setelah nanti Devil, harap khusus hanya untuk official kembali lagi ke TNGGP ya untuk melakukan kembali verifikasi dan registrasi.
Yeah, for all of the participants official. After Devil is done, you can
Yes.
go back and do the registration. Make sure that every document is already done.
Oke, baik. Sesaat lagi kita akan ikuti bersama Devil, di mana nanti akan diawali kontingen dari Brunei Darussalam. Dan untuk Indonesia nanti paling belakang ya, Indonesia paling belakang dilanjutkan oleh para LOC. Oke.
Baik, Kak Soleh, yuk kita
Oke, yuk
berpindah
kita-
ke sebelah sini nampaknya.
Kita flag off untuk Devil. Devil juga harus kita flag off sepertinya ya.
Betul.
Iya, tentunya luar biasa. Miss Dafa, rangkaian
Ya.
acara opening ceremony Citra Cup 2026 ini sudah kita lalui bersama.
Betul, dan tentunya
Yes.
juga kita akan didampingi oleh teman-teman marching band dari SMA Negeri 2
Negeri 2
Cianjur.
Oke, Brunei Darussalam, Kambodia, oke Kambodia, Malaysia,
Myanmar, followed by Philippines,
Myanmar, Singapore,
Thailand,
Thailand,
Vietnam,
Myanmar
and of course
is-
Indonesia,
Yes.
followed by the LOC. So just be ready everyone.
Oke, Malaysia, Filipina, yes, Singapore, oke, yes, Thailand, and of course Indonesia. Dan disusul nanti untuk suaranya mana LOC. Oke.
So everyone just be ready. Here we go. This is the official participant of
Okay.
Setra Cup 2026.
Miss Dafa, sebentar. Tentunya kita akan rapihkan terlebih dahulu ya. Sepertinya akan ada perubahan posisi.
Ya, everyone line
Kita
up
pindah ke
please.
sebelah paling kiri.
Betul.
Dan seperti yang tadi dibilang Miss Dafa ya, nanti kita akan diawali marching band dari SMA Negeri 2 Cianjur. Terima kasih SMA Negeri 2 Cianjur.
Yeay! Sudah nampak siap sekali. Yeah, so everyone, would you
Yes.
please to line up?
Oke, from
Each line.
Vietnam. Oke, bisa mungkin dibantu oleh
2%
panitia di belakang.
for each line, 2%, please.
Ya, dan diakhiri Indonesia. Indonesia paling belakang ya. Yes.
Make it 2 lines for each country.
Yes.
Make it 2 lines for each country, please. Make it
Oke,
right, please.
ya. Miss Dafa, sepertinya kita akan cek suara dulu coba ya. Citra Cup 2026 mana suaranya? Oke, marching band siap? Karena kita aba-abanya nanti dari marching band ya. Ketika mereka
Betul.
sudah main, kita akan mulai. Baiklah, dengan mengucap Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, kita akan saksikan bersama-sama ini dia Devil, parade dari masing-masing negara.
So ladies and gentlemen, just be ready. Please welcome Citra Cup 2026. Here we go.
Oke. Yes. Yes, ke venue. Ya, kita ke venue.
Nah, dan tentunya Bapak Bupati juga ingin ikut serta.
Iya.
Silakan Bapak. Followed by Brunei Darussalam.
Kambodia.
Malaysia.
Myanmar.
Philippines.
Singapore.
Oh, and of
This is it.
Indonesia.
Coba dong yang paling belakang.
LOC.
Finish strong, selamat bertanding.
Enjoy the competition.
Enjoy
Your
the
life
competition.
and finish strong.
Go Indonesia. LOC.
Menyenangkan sekali dan membuat kita bahagia ya,
Luar
matahari
biasa.
cerah hari ini.
Jadi energi semangat mereka untuk berlari ternyata tersalurkan juga ke MC ya.
Betul, jadi kita juga semakin ingin terus
Betul.
menjaga alam ini lestari
Betul
dengan
sekali.
cara yang sehat ya.
Ya, dengan cara hobi. Hobi tapi kita positifkan ya dengan
Betul.
ibaratnya melakukan pelestarian alam.
Tapi kita juga menjaga kesehatan tubuh masing-masing.
Betul
Ini
sekali.
kolaborasi yang sangat unik dan hebat.
Betul. Ini
Tentunya,
combo banget. Yes.
paket lengkap. Jadi
Lengkap.
memang tadi Presiden Nitra bilang kalau hari ini ternyata berkembang tidak hanya di Asia, tapi di dunia juga ternyata menjadi hobi yang sangat luar biasa memekal.
Luar biasa. Tentunya sesuatu atau habit yang positif itu kita lestarikan ya.
Pasti dong.